Now, hello everyone. Welcome to the live broadcast of Limi Stamping for Motion Company Limited. Now, today I'm the host of the live broadcast, Lydia. Now, last time we talked about the application process and application of the Q machine. Now, today we will explain the process and the application of the glaze tail machine. Now let's learn how to install this. Now today we invited the director of Mr. Gao. Now let's welcome.
Hello everyone, I'm Gao Yang, Director of Production and Design of Limi Stamping Foam Machine Limited. This time I will introduce the operation and working principle of the glaze tail foam machine. First, let me explain the mechanism operation of the decoiler.
Okay, Mr. Gao, what to pay attention to the decoiler? Is it used directly?
First of all, the decoiler shall be fixed to the ground and fixing with the anchor bolt to ensure the lines in high-speed operation. The feeding rack will not be pulled away from the material, resulting in the deviation of raw material and the exclusion, which with a loss of labor and the raw material to adjust. Secondly, the decoiler has a brake function. The brake device controls the force of raw materials so as to ensure that in the use of the machine, the raw material will not rotate substantially, resulting in the excessive accumulation of raw material.
Okay, now Mr. Gao, is it time to including the too much raw materials?
Excessive accumulation of raw material will fall to the ground, resulting in surface scratch of raw material. In case of more serious cases, raw material will run off courses out into the machine and thus cannot be used normally due to the corroding. The following is a feeding. When feeding, we must adjust the left and the right position of the raw material to the position drawing a straight line with the left and the right sides of the first row crown forming wheels.
Okay, Mr. Gao, what's the difference between our company's band form to other companies?
This mode is upgrade version. It is mainly more like a mold mill with a fine turning function, more convenient to operate when adjusting. This can save the time of the staff and improve the efficiency, and the forming is more stable. The raw material will not run off when the machine is running.
Okay, now Mr. Gao, is it the shell the strong, isn't it?
The protection cover is not only strong. We found in the past experience, the original protection cover material is too thin. Installation trouble. Some customers in the use of the trouble to throw aside the protection cover and the industrial accident. Such a loss for our customers huge. So the thickness, the protecting cover, the adjustment of the structure to make it easier to install when it is not deformed, so that it really plays a protective role.
Okay, Mr. Gao, I have a question. Now, what's the advantage of the roller stand?
We adopt cast iron shock supporter. It's only our unique patent product. We belong to industrial through professional force analysis tests to achieve superior structure. Without welding, integration of casting, with double bearing, low noise, long service life. On the basis of this stability, ensure 24 hours produced products and high precision. Boost create money every minute.
Okay, is the roller stand is the important key of the machine?
Solid shaft. The reasonable structure of the machine is related to the stability of the machine.
Okay, Mr. Gao, how can we company to guarantee the mold wheels qualified?
First of all, our design team using corporate software, the reverse reasoning of the sample, the calculation of the specific molding phase of issue, and then the design of the issue of wheels. In the production process, we have a professional QC team to strictly control the quality, to ensure that every part of the production is qualified.
Okay, now Mr. Gao, I look the cut. Is it different from other companies?
Yes, we have adopted a newly designed frame structure for this shear, so that the shear is more stable and the service life is longer. You see here, the use of the guide pillar, shear mode. The design guide pin and the ball guide sleeve is to cooperate, will not result in smash. For shear side operation, foot is small. The smooth movements, there will no transmission clearance, not cause cut continuous. The phenomenon such as cutting material, weaker material, serious when a collision between two blades and a fracture, and adopts a modular assemble, reasonable structure, convenience disassembly maintenance. Easy maintenance reduces the skill of maintenance personnel. It prolongs the service life of the shear blade, greatly reducing the customer's maintenance cost, and the guide pin shear more beautiful.
Oh, I know. If I listen, the pump station is still work.
This is addition of moving tree, and in the four corners of the tree added period. Such a design not only to ensure the stability of the tree, but also to ensure that the tree can move freely. It solves the problems that builders and the customers often adjust the position of equipment. This is currently a unique product, our own in the industry. If there is no moving tree, the oil tank is full of hydraulic oil and becomes heavy, difficult to move, but also to pull out the hydraulic oil to moving, and then the hydraulic oil into the oil tank. Additional procedure, waste of labor efficiency. Efficiency is money. If we move in the choice of lifting, we also cost the oil tank over time. Not only broke the oil tank, hydraulic oil cracks risk. We also break connection wear, mechanical damage, give you the energy and the cost of maintenance. So that your machine cannot stop production, delay your money.
Wow, it's thought of you.
It's our duty. Let's take a look at electric control.
Okay, now is the electric control all the same?
Each manufacturer has its own characteristic. We use the European electric control box. Electric control system is to control the normal operation of the whole size of machinery. The realization of automatic control system is a part of the brain of the machine. The planning is added to
Okay, Mr. Gao, what's the advantages or benefits to our receiving platform?
The material receiving platform is a supporting and stacking part of the process of cutting. We are equipped with standard three-dimensional steel structure framework developed by the high technology. No ball connection method is used to automate the production of three-dimensional steel structure software based from Finland, which belong to the industry and present, and is our only product. We have investigated the demand of 1,000 factories and we have achieved a bearing capacity of 500 kilogram square meters. Local scale factory inspection is high grade and can be dismantled and assembled for many times. It will keep the workshop tidy, improve the utilization rate of the site, and reduce the chance of produce damage. The maximum bearing capacity of low-grade welding process in the industry is 200 kilogram square meters. It is easy to damage the collapse profile and lose money in replacement. And the volume is very small. We will increase 2 special people to do it. Let me take you to our product implementation area to see installation method of blister.
Okay, now what's the application for?
The application area is using for our factory to show our product how to use it. Later you will see the real products and our machine process. This is our factory's advantage compared with other small factories. We can use the final product to help you to learn how the final product is using and how to solve the problems of the end user, how to using this final product. Okay. Okay, we are near at our application area. The application area is the area that we specially show to customers how the customer will install and use. We will show them how to install and use, especially for the new customers who don't know how to install and use. We will show them. And the more important point of the application area is to give the customer to test whether the product is qualified before the factory. The original product is qualified only when the machine is produced to test. But the application area is more in fact testing, only after the actual use of the simulation installation test to ensure that the product is truly qualified. Now we come to the simulation area to show you the simulation installation process, to see the master is installed piece by piece. Our way of installation is the customer's actual use of the installation process. After the master is inside, the QC team will check whether qualified. To choose us is the most real and practical guarantee for your customers. Now we come to the simulation application area to show you the simulation installation. We see the master is in simulation. Okay. How the installation is the actual use of the installation process. After the system is installed, later our QC team will check whether it's qualified.
看着点。好。 这边儿真了吧？ 这都是这个。
走。Normally, our QC team will inspection the application test. If everything is okay, and our machine is make finished. We also can choose different model of machines that we make. This is a many color of raw material, and our machine can process. To suit the different colors requirements.
Okay, thank you for today's explanation. Now, thank you for many interesting friends visit our website for many 4K videos, and we will introduce our wall cleaner at 3 o'clock on May 14th in the afternoon. Now, thank you for your watching. See you.